The dark side of California, homeless capital of America. Housing, compounding the problem. The impact of homelessness extends far beyond statistics. It affects the physical and mental well-being of those experiencing it, while also straining public resources. Hospitals, law enforcement, and social services are overwhelmed by the demands of addressing homelessness. Moreover, the crisis has led to increased tensions in communities. Residents and businesses often express frustration over safety and cleanliness, while advocates highlight the need for compassion and systemic change. Despite the grim outlook, efforts are underway to address homelessness in California. Key strategies include expanding affordable housing. Building more low-cost housing units is crucial. State and local governments are investing in initiatives like Project Homekey to convert motels and other properties into housing for the homeless. Strengthening support services, increased funding for mental health care, addiction treatment, and job training programs can help people transition out of homelessness. Reforming policies, streamlining regulations, and incentivizing affordable housing developments can accelerate progress in addressing the housing shortage. Community involvement, nonprofits, faith-based organizations, and local communities play a critical role in providing immediate relief and long-term support. California's homelessness crisis is a stark reminder that even the wealthiest regions can struggle with basic human needs. Solving this issue requires a holistic approach that addresses the root causes while offering immediate support to those in need. While the road ahead is challenging, California has the resources, innovation, and resilience to lead the way in finding lasting solutions. Only by working together, across sectors, communities, and political lines, can the Golden State truly shine for all its residents.